Throwback Thursday, where we recreate one of my old makeup looks with the skills we have today. This one is not as old. This one's only from 2020, I believe, but it's super fun and fits the vibe, and I just want to do a pink and black look. So let's be brokenhearted today. Like a majority of my looks, this is going to be very blush heavy. So we're going to go in with the Juvia's Place Volume 4 palette, and we're going to go in with the hot pink shade, and we're just going to pop that all over our cheeks. Yes, we're going heavy-handed, and we're having blush blindness because that is the vibe of Valentine's Day. If you not have enough blush on, how do they know you're in love? Even though we're heartbroken today. We're angry. We hate love. I lied. And never forget your nose. Ever. Now, if you think that's where we're stopping for blush, you're at the wrong channel. We're going to go in with a little bit of a lighter one. This is from the Wicked REM. And I'm just going to diffuse that around the sides just to kind of ombre a softer pink out. And then I'm going to go in with a sparkly pink blush topper, which is the highlighting shade, and just kind of rub that all over to add some glow on the high point of the cheek. Not gonna lie, there's a big part of me that just wants to keep a blush look today because I just love how this looks with my new hair, but we're committing to Throwback Thursday. So we're gonna go in with the Juvia's Pinks palette, and this is gonna be, I'm gonna go in with the bright hot pink here, and I'm literally just popping that all over the lid. It can be really messy and diffuse. We just want this really blown out and bright. We're bringing that to the lower lash line as well to connect. Diffusing it lower as well to really brighten that up. I'm going to go in with this more magenta shade just to kind of pop in the edges, just again to add some depth to that pink. I love to layer. Take your favorite silver eyeshadow and we're just going to pop that in the center of the eye. I'm just using the Rabanne just because I love this silver, and that's going to brighten the inner corner. Before we get into the hearts, I'm going to go in with a white highlighter and just kind of tip the high points of my cheek and into my brow bone. Yes, heavy-handed. All right, this next part is the most tedious. I probably won't be able to talk as much while I do it, but we are going to do our heart shape. I'm going in with a black eyeshadow. This is MAC Carbon, my favorite black. And I like to keep, I have a hooded eye, so I want to keep my eye kind of like this so I can sculpt. I'm just using a small detail brush, and I'm shaping out a heart shape. I'm not going to open my eye until I at least get the top part. Bit just to start dragging it down. You want it to be a little wider because you want the tip to be on the bottom there. And then fill in that lid. Then we're going to connect on the bottom, and we're going to go underneath, and we're going to draw the bottom of our heart. A little bit of glitter, so I'm going to go in with this About Face eye paint just to add a little bit of metallic glitter to the top of it. Then I'm going to take black eyeliner, and I am going to just pop the black on the part we have the black heart. We're going to leave the rest alone. I'm going to do mascara and lashes, and I'll be right back. To do the little hearts on the cheek, I'm just going in with a liquid liner, and I'm just going to freehand them. Yeah, I'm just being risky. And then fill. Creative decision, and I just want to leave them as black hearts. I don't want them to be broken hearts because I don't want to be a sad girl today. So I'm going to go film my lip combo of the day, and we'll be right back. Again, for more creative liberty, I changed up the lip because we're doing it how I would do it today. And I'm going to have a lip combo, and I'm going to have a pink and black lip. And this is the finished look for Throwback Thursday. How do you think? Do we like it? Are we okay with the changes? I feel really cute today, and I'm just really happy to be able to put on makeup again after being covered in allergies all week. So I'll take it.